Morning everyone, welcome back to your English class. Today we will continue lesson number 8, the adjective. So children, in the previous video we have discussed about the adjective and its kinds. Now let's learn more about adjective. Children, an adjective can be used in two different ways. One is attributive use, other is predicative use. Children, an adjective is used along with the noun as an attribute. So it's a way to use it. The lazy girl failed. Now it is used along with the noun. Lazy is adjective and girl is noun. So when we are using the adjective along with the noun as an attribute, it is said to be in attributive use. And predicative use, when adjective is used with the verb and forms part of the predicate. In lesson number 2, we have done about the subject and the predicate. Predicate is when what we are talking about the subject, what is said about the subject. So the girl was lazy. Now here girl is noun and lazy is adjective, but here adjective is used along with the verb. Verb is here was, helping verb, and it forms a part of the predicate. Now let's learn about formation of adjectives with the help of suffixes. Now suffix is a letter or a group of letters which is added at the end of the word to change its meaning. So by adding suffix able, A-B-L-E, like we have comfort, and adjective we have made is comfortable by adding suffix A-B-L-E. Then desire, able added to it, that is desirable. We have formed adjectives here by adding able to these group of letters. Then we can make few more adjectives by adding suffix full. Beauty plus full is beautiful. Cheer plus full is cheerful. The words that adjectives we have made are beautiful and cheerful by adding suffix full. Then by adding suffix ic, that is poet plus ic, that is poetic. Hero plus ic, heroic. So we have added suffix here and the adjectives are formed. Then by adding suffix ish, ish, that is book plus ish, that is bookish. Girl, girlish. Girl plus ish, girlish. So we can make more adjectives by adding suffix less. Harm, less, harmless. Care plus less, careless. Children, sometimes a non-adjective word is used as an adjective. We can use them as an adjective. So such a word may be noun, an adverb, a preposition, or a participle. So it is called adjective equivalent, means equal to adjective. The then kings were very just. So this then is non-adjective word, but it is used as an adjective. Barking dogs seldom bite. So barking is, it's not a adjective, it's a non-adjective word, but it is used as an adjective. Now we learn about degrees of comparison. So children, we have 3 degrees of comparison. First is positive degree. An adjective is in the positive degree if no comparison is made. An adjective is used in its base form to show the positive degree. Now it shows no comparison and it is used in its base form. Let it be any adjective like tall, busy, good, young, strong. So if I'll take example, Lata is young. So young is positive degree of adjective. Rahul is strong. So it's a positive degree of adjective. Then we have comparative degree. It shows comparison when it compares two nouns. It shows comparison between two. Let's take example. Lata is younger than Neha. Rahul is stronger than Jay. So for most adjectives which have 1 or 2 syllables, that is ER is added to the base. So an adjective is in the comparative degree when it compares two nouns. Lata is younger than Neha. So we are showing comparison between Lata and Neha. Rahul is stronger than Jay. So we are comparing them. We are making comparison. So for adjectives with more than two syllables, the comparative degree is made with the help of the comparative word more. When it is only we have two syllables, that is er, let it be er, then two syllables, er is added to the base. And if we have more than two syllables, the comparative degree is made with the help of the comparative word more. Okay. Then is superlative degree. So superlative degree, an adjective is in the superlative degree if it brings about comparison among more than two nouns. So this degree of comparison, it indicates the highest degree of quality. So for adjectives with one or two syllables, the superlative degree is made by adding est, and for adjectives with more than two syllables, the superlative degree is made by placing most before the base form. Let's take example again. Lata is the youngest girl in the whole class. So here we are making comparison and it is among more than two nouns. Rahul is strongest boy in the team. Again here it is the comparison among more than two nouns. Now I said that if for adjectives with more than two syllables, we use most word. Like this painting is the most beautiful one I have ever seen. So we have added most word with beautiful. So let's see few examples where most adjectives form the comparative by adding er and the superlative by adding est to the positive degree. So we have positive degrees here, like short. The comparative degree of short is shorter and superlative is shortest. Then we have great, comparative degree adding er, greater, and superlative degree by adding est. Great, greater, greatest. Then thick, added er, thicker, then est, thickest. Then kind, kinder, kindest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. So second category is certain adjectives form the comparative and superlative by putting more and most before the positive. Like we have active. We cannot say activer, activities. No. We will add more and most to this word active. Active, more active when we have to compare, and when we have to show in the superlative degree, we have to add most. Active, more active, most active. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Learned, more learned, most learned. Obedient, more obedient, most obedient. So I told you children,